CSV has a slightly different execution methodology than most other oil and gas companies. We take all of our project management, procurement, mechanical, and process design, as well as the leadership of the other engineering disciplines in-house. And then we've strategically partnered with specialist groups. That close integration and control by the CSV team provides a much better outcome.
It doesn't just take operators to operate a gas plant. We need mechanics that work on our rotating equipment, whether it be compressors or pumps. We have instrumentation guys that work on the instrumentation throughout the plant. It's a group effort from everybody that's actually on site.
We have multiple gathering lines that come from the north, east, and south of this facility, and this is where the production comes into the plant. Our inlet separators is a first step. We separate out the 3 different phases, so our gas, our hydrocarbon liquids, and our water through gravity separation. From there, the gas is compressed up to the necessary pressure for the amine sweetening process and the mechanical refrigeration process.
The amine that's used for sweetening the gas, we're able to regenerate it so that we can actually use it over and over again. To be able to use it and use it again and again is a huge cost and savings. A lot of gas plants are designed with one amine sweetening unit. Here we could actually isolate one of the sweetening units, but it also gives us the ability to turn down in the event that we start to run short on gas.
After the acid gases are removed from the gas stream in the amine plant, the gas flows to our mechanical refrigeration unit. That then flows to a low temperature separator where the propane, butane, and pentane plus are condensed into the liquid form. The components are sent for storage and combined with our stabilized condensate and stored for sale. The Albright gas plant is the first gas plant in over 30 years that has been newly built with a sulfur recovery process. There is challenges finding reservoirs that are adequate for disposal of acid gases. So CSV decided to move forward with a sulfur recovery unit. We utilize the SmartSulf process to get extremely high sulfur recovery. Our design is up to 99.6% sulfur recovery, which is light years better than most sulfur recovery facilities. The Albright facility is a steam facility, and it utilizes steam primarily for purposes in the sulfur plant. As we export a lot of steam out of the sulfur plant process, that steam is used for our amine regeneration energy, as well as for power generation through our steam turbine generator. At the Albright facility, we have 3 different flare systems. We have an acid gas flare system, a low pressure flare system, and a high pressure flare system. Our acid gas and high pressure flare systems are there purely for emergency purposes. Our low pressure flare system collects all of the low pressure vents as well as the overheads off of our storage tanks. That is run through a vapor recovery unit and a recycle compressor that captures all of those gases and recycles them back into the process. So only during upset conditions would we expect flaring to occur at the Albright facility. At Albright, not only are we utility connected, but we have a continuously running natural gas turbine generator. If we have any interruptions in utility power, we have the ability to keep the systems warm and the plant operational. In addition, we capture steam that has been exported from the sulfur plant. That steam spins a turbine and generates additional electricity that offsets our power consumption. So it's essentially free power that reduces our overall environmental impact. CSV has always worked towards having a repeatable project design. And so with all that has been done at the Albright facility, we can now take those learnings, those design elements as we move forward to build new facilities and be able to build even better. We've learned a lot about resilience. We've really had to come together as a team and solve problems efficiently, dynamically, in a very streamlined process. That resilience has really strengthened the bonds within the CSV team. We've all worked together and have come out on the other side stronger and more united than ever before.